Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger. Please give permissions on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and all you have to do is just go down, then you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window here, and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app in this window, then you just click here on Messenger, and you go to next window here, then you click here on force stop, and you click here on OK, and you just go down, then you click here on storage, and it's going to take you to storage window here, and you just click here on clear cache, and you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and search for Messenger app, and it's going to show for your update, and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.